Hi everyone, welcome to AL Education. Today, we are going to learn what addition is. By the end of this video, you will understand the method of addition and be able to solve addition problems. Let's get started. Have you ever wanted to know how to combine numbers to make a bigger number? That's called addition. Addition is when we put two or more numbers together to find out how many we have in total. For example, Mr. Potato has £2 and he gets £1 more. How much now? To find out how many pounds Mr. Potato has, we add the £2 he already has to the £1 he gets. So, Mr. Potato has £3 altogether. Here are the questions. Pause the video and see if you can answer the questions. Let's check the answers. Question 1. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So the answer to question 1 is 5. Question 2. Anna has 4 candies, and she buys one more. So Anna has 5 candies altogether. Thanks for watching. See you next time on AL Education.